Hi, I'm Mario, and I want to tell you about Hussain, a 12-year-old from Dhaka who asked me, why should I work hard when everything is already mine? Sound familiar? Hussain had everything money could buy: a prestigious school, natural talent, a wealthy family. But his grades were terrible, and he had zero motivation. His mother came to us desperate. She'd seen how hard Chinese students worked and knew her son needed more than privilege. He needed purpose. So we did something radical. We sent Hussain to China, not for vacation, but for a reality check. First, Chinese language immersion in Beijing with kids from around the world. No special treatment. Then, drone academy in Shanghai, where his family wealth meant nothing, and he started at the bottom of every ranking. The turning point? His Chinese teammates excluded him from their robotics project, until he actually learned to code and contributed something real. 18 months later, his GPA jumped from 2.8 to 3.7. He speaks fluent Mandarin. He won second place in an international robotics competition, and he got accepted to Shanghai Singapore International School on merit. But here's what his mother told me. Hussain went from asking, why should I try, to how can I do better? That's not just academic improvement, that's life transformation. At Alifa Education Services, we don't just improve grades, we build character through carefully designed challenges that money can't buy. Respect, resilience, and real achievement. Because sometimes the most privileged kids need the biggest reality check.